She may waive her right to appear before the committee, but what would be your own sense?
Well, that would really be up to her. The rules provide that if she does not submit an answer, there will still be a next stage, which will be the presentation of evidence. And after which the committee will be able to then make its determination whether there is enough grounds to bring this to the plenary and to proceed with the impeachment case.
In the
To me,
presentation,
this is
go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
yes, this is the most important stage, I believe, in the House of Representatives when it comes to impeachment. Dito po natin susuriin ang ebidensya. Dito malalaman ng mga miyembro ng komite kung talagang may sapat na basihan ang mga alegasyon laban kay Vice President Duterte.
Kasama na po ba dito ang pagbukas ng kanyang bank account? May dahilan po ba na maibibigay sa komite para kumuha ng mag-issue ng subpoena duces tecum, for instance?
May mga alegasyon na napapaloob sa parehong complaints, yung third and fourth complaints tungkol sa unexplained wealth, tungkol sa mga bank accounts and in relation to the salins of the Vice President. So there is a basis for that. Yes.
And will you move for that?
That remains to be seen. I don't want to prematurely announce any measures that may be taken. Siguro mas maganda kung abangan natin ang mga susunod na kabanata.